On a recent visit to Austin, Texas, I stayed at the Best Western Plus Austin Airport Inn and Suites. It is conveniently located just 5 minutes from the Austin airport. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the hotel as well as provide you with a description of the amenities that the hotel provides. I have stayed at this hotel one other time, but at that time there were no other hotels in the general vicinity. This hotel offers a hot breakfast, which is provided in a very spacious breakfast room, and amenities include outdoor swimming pool, an exercise facility, guest laundry, a business center, free parking, and there are meeting rooms to accommodate larger groups. The hotel also offers shuttle to and from the airport on a daily basis. Has 3 floors, and it is amazing actually how much space they have, not just in the rooms but on each floor itself. that I stayed in on this trip was a king bedroom. It included a microwave and refrigerator and a 32-inch LCD television. It had a good amount of room and a view outside.